we're going to explore some captivating moments in Google's AI journey and discover how a seemingly simple idea can revolutionize our world. Number 10. Machine learning powers Google search spell check, 2001. In 2001, something quite magical happened in the world of Google search. It became your personal spelling assistant. Before that, if you misspelled a word, Google might not understand what you meant, but with machine learning, it got smarter. It started to figure out what you were trying to search for, even if you made a few typing mistakes. This simple but genius change made our lives easier. Number 9. Google Translate launches, 2006. Google Translate came to life, and it changed how we talk to people worldwide. With Google Translate, you type in one language, and it gives you the same words in another language. Simple as that. It's not just about words, it's about breaking down barriers. No more confusion when traveling or chatting with someone who speaks a different language. It's a global game changer, not just text, but it can even talk for you. You type, it speaks. It's like having a mini interpreter. So whether you're exploring new places or just making friends, Google Translate has got your back. It can translate text, images, or even a real-time conversation, smashing language barriers across the global community. Number 8. TensorFlow Democratizes AI, 2015. Google changed the game with TensorFlow. TensorFlow is like the superhero of software that makes machines smarter. It's not just for the tech wizards, it's for everyone who wants to teach computers new tricks. With TensorFlow, you can build your own AI models, whether you want to recognize pictures of cats or predict the weather. TensorFlow makes AI approachable, and you do not need a PhD to get started. You can be a student, a teacher, or a curious explorer. Number 7. Alphago defeats world champion Go player, 2016. In 2016, Alphago, a computer program developed by Google's DeepMind, went head-to-head with Lee Sedol, the world champion Go player. Go is a strategic board game that's been played for thousands of years, and it's known for its complexity. What made this event astonishing was that Go is incredibly intricate, with more possible moves than there are atoms in the universe. It was a true test of AI's capabilities. Alphago didn't rely on brute force calculations, but used a form of deep learning called neural networks to learn and master the game. The result? Alphago defeated Lee Sedol in a historic 5-game match, winning 4 out of 5 games. Number 6. TPUs enable faster, more efficient AI deployment, 2016. Google introduced a game changer in the world of AI TPUs, short for tensor processing units. These aren't just fancy chips, they're like the turbochargers for AI. They make AI tasks lightning quick and efficient. What used to take hours now happens in minutes. TPUs help Google's AI to understand our searches better, serve us relevant ads, and even make our smartphones smarter. Number 5. Google Research introduces the Transformer, 2017. Google Research introduced something called the Transformer. It's a breakthrough in the world of artificial intelligence, and it changed the way computers understand and use language. Before the Transformer, computers had a tough time understanding context in language. This new technology made things like Google Search a whole lot smarter. It helped translate languages better, making it easier for people around the world to communicate, and it even made chatbots more chatty and useful. Number 4. Bert helps search better understand queries, 2019. Have you ever typed a question into Google and been amazed at how it seems to really get what you're asking? That's Bert doing its thing. In 2019, Google introduced Bert, a technique that helped machines understand our words just like humans do. It changed the game by making our searches feel more understood, delivering more of those exactly what I was looking for moments. Bert's able to grasp the full context of a word in a sentence, making it a real smarty pants in the world of tech. Number 3. AlphaFold solves the protein folding problem, 2020. AlphaFold, a smart computer program, figured out how proteins fold themselves. You might wonder, what's the big deal about protein folding? Well, proteins are tiny, but super important. They do all kinds of jobs in our bodies, like building and repairing things. But to do their job right, they need to fold up in just the right way. Before AlphaFold, scientists struggled to understand how proteins folded, but AlphaFold changed that. It's like giving scientists a superpower microscope for proteins. Why is this important? Well, knowing how proteins fold helps us understand diseases better. It can lead to new medicines, treatments for diseases, and even a better better understanding of life itself. Number 2, Bard helps you collaborate with generative AI. 2023. Google's Bard AI is an experimental chatbot that taps into a vast pool of text and code knowledge to perform various tasks. Bard AI is a versatile tool. It can generate text, translate languages, create creative content, and provide informative answers. What sets Bard apart is its ability to tailor responses to your specific needs. You can ask it to kickstart a travel planning document, draft an online marketplace listing, or simplify a complex science topic for children. In essence, Google's Bard AI serves as a potent ally, ready to assist us in a multitude of tasks, whether it's text generation or addressing our inquiries. Number 1, Palm. 2, Advancing AI Language. 2023. Palm 2 is the future of language models. Its construction focuses on computation, diverse datasets, and model enhancements. Palm 2 shines in understanding human language nuances and handling riddles and idioms with ease. It's well prepared for multilingual challenges, with extensive training in various languages. Moreover, Palm 2's training spans web content and source code, making it proficient in popular programming languages like Python and JavaScript. It can also generate specialized code in languages like Prolog, Fortran, and Verilog, fostering cross-language collaboration. Hope you found this journey through Google's AI innovations as fascinating as we did. If you enjoyed the ride and are curious for more, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.